Annapolis market price of homes is up 13.7% from last year and up 9.8% year to date to $540,000. It's Friday, October 14th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Days on the market are up to 28 days, and the average list to sold ratio is 98.4%. New listings to market remain well below a normal inventory and down 37.9% from last year. Zip code 21401 home prices are up 5.7% to $560,000. 21403 is up 7.9% to $503,000. 21405 is up 45.9% to $1,462,500. 21409 is up 15.4% to $525,000. Annapolis continues to remain challenged with a lack of inventory. There are only 128 homes for sale right now. 16 sold over the past week. The highest sale this past week sold for $2,300,000 in Fishing Creek. Rental inventory fell to 29 homes for lease at $2,800, listed at an average of 15 days. Thinking about moving, you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. My job as the expert is to provide you with the facts, data, and information, and then bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 14th, 2022. And thank you for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.